Hey, Dave. Oh, I'm sorry, David. Every episode, you read the show open like you're some kind of god. God. Then you lord your honorary non-membership over everyone. Show after stinking show. And I haven't even gotten to do an interview yet. All that stops now. I've had enough, David S. Silverman, if that is your real name. It's time to lay it all on the line. Cajun style. You, me, you, me, you. Me. Black's big battle. 2 MCBs enter, 1 MCB leaves. Are you man enough to take my challenge? Huh? Joshi out. What? Eye of the tiger, my man. Dangerous. Chump.